Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on Chapter 7, Part D. Don't hate the service of Hashem. Rav Chaim Friedlander writes that Rav Eliyahu Dessler told of a Rosh Yeshiva who went to visit another yeshiva. His host excitingly and happily showed his guest how the Talmidim were diligently learning late into the night. The visiting Rosh Yeshiva said, "Would you be happy as you are now if you saw these Bachurim learning that like that, but in a different yeshiva?" Rav Friedlander comments, "It is possible that the Rosh Yeshiva seems to be excited about learning Hashem's Torah, but really, he is excited only about his own yeshiva's success. We cannot allow our ego or our desire for success to interfere with our general love of Hashem and his Torah. This is what the Beis HaLevi is teaching us. It is possible that hate, which often is rooted in competition and ego, can actually cause us to have negative feelings towards the service of Hashem. Because we don't want others to appear to be better than we are, we may often criticize or mock other people's commendable practices. This is a frightening reality, and something that we all must work on." And with that, we finish Chapter 7. Alright, tomorrow we're going to continue Chapter 8. Thank you.